This is it, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. After a week-long international culinary competition, 3 chefs remain, representing France, Italy, and the USA. The judges are about to decide who will be named the culinary grand champion of the world.
Queen of Cuisine always keeps the focus on her food.
Her cooking is mysterious as she is.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I give you my sun-kissed iceberg.
The Queen of Cuisine won! She won!
Free Cuisine! Free Cuisine! Free Cuisine! Free Cuisine!
This is my last time standing before the public as the Queen of Cuisine. After this, I'm hiding my name for someone I love.
In a shocking development, the mysterious Queen of Cuisine, 4-time culinary champion, has announced her retirement. The reason for her decision remains unknown.
Tiffany!
Sorry, I got flour all over me.
Can't believe I'm leaving you for 3 whole years. I'm gonna miss you.
Don't worry, you'll do great at Le Cordon Bleu, honey. Your food is amazing. And it was thanks to your cooking that I was able to recover from my eating disorder after all. I'll always support you.
Tiff, when I get back, I'm gonna make you the happiest woman alive.
Don't worry, Barry. I'll take care of your mom. Your dream is my dream as well.
I want a divorce.
Barry, what the hell is this?
I'm Sera Rose, Le Cordon Bleu's rising star, and Barry's future wife.
Future wife.
She's not like you, Tiff. She's the Queen of Cuisine's protege, with full backing from DX Restaurant Group.
I never had a protege.
Tiff, we're moving on to bigger and better things. That includes a better woman.
But 3 years ago, you said...
Even the best food burns sour eventually, right? So does love.
After all the sacrifices I made for you, that's all I get? Love turns sour?
Sacrifices? What sacrifices could a housewife possibly make? Just sign the damn divorce papers, Tiff.
Let's see what your mother has to say about this. Elena, your son is back. He wants to divorce me.
Finally. It's about time my son divorces you.
What?
Hi, Mom. This is Sera.
So this is my new daughter-in-law.
So good to finally meet you, Elena. Barry has told me so much about you.
Elena, you knew about Barry's affair this whole time?
Affair? Don't be ridiculous. I never thought of you as my daughter-in-law. You're just a glorified maid. What the hell can you do to help Barry's career? Sera here is going to bring him unprecedented success. You cannot compare to that.
I'll take good care of you from now on, Miss Wallace.
3 years ago, I gave up everything to stay back and take care of your mother. So you could go to Cordon Bleu and pursue your culinary dreams. I gave you peace of mind, Barry. I took care of your home.
Shut the fuck up!
Really, Tiffany? Making my mom eat this shit, calling it taking care of her?
Elena has high blood sugar, okay? She needs a healthy diet in order...
Excuses! You just can't cook. You have done nothing but freeload for the last 3 years.
Barry, that's bullshit and you know it.
You're a parasite. All you've ever done is wait for me to come home and provide.
A maid would be better than her.
3 years, Elena. 3 years of me cooking, cleaning, and making sure you never missed a meal. How dare you?
Son, do you see this? I've endured so much abuse while you've been gone.
Dare you speak my mother like that, you ungrateful bitch!
Fine. You want a divorce? Here. Mark my words, Barry. You will regret this.
Here. It's your salary for being a housewife. Consider us even.
Oh my gosh, babe, is she gonna pick up that money like a wet dog?
Keep your money, Barry. One day you're gonna need it more than me. And Sera, you didn't steal my man. You inherited my trash. I can't wait for the day they find out that I'm the queen of cuisine. Hi. Excuse me, can I come in? I just want to get out of the rain.
This is Masoni Claude. We don't serve hobos. Get out.
I'm not a hobo. Look, I can buy a glass of wine while I wait and call my Uber.
You couldn't possibly afford our wine. Now get out of here!
Feel the warmth of the summer.
Are you okay, miss?
Boss.
Is this how you treat our customers? Apologize now.
I'm sorry.
Go home. And don't let me see this happen again.
Yes, boss.
Thank you.
Come on. I'm not going to let one of my customers starve and leave cold. Welcome to Maison Éclat. Yo, oh, yeah, it's on. That's okay.
Thanks.
Okay. I'm gonna go make you a hot meal.
Oh, no, that's okay. Your kitchen must be closed by now anyway. I'm not hungry. A glass of wine would be just fine. This has got to be the most embarrassing day of my life.
Look, I don't let my customers go hungry. And don't worry about it, it's on the house. It's the least I can do for my employee treating you so poorly. Here, have a seat. Here, I want you to try this. This is my grandmother's risotto. Is it that bad?
No, not at all. It's the best thing I've ever tasted.
Hey. Whoa, slow down. I didn't know my risotto could make a girl cry. I'm Claude, by the way.
Thank you, Claude.
I'm Tiffany. So, Claude, does your restaurant happen to be hiring right now? I know how to cook, and I can help you out in your kitchen.
Tiffany, are you a chef?
I'm actually...
Look, to be honest, I'd love to hire you, but I can't right now. My grandfather, he's forcing me to close this place soon.
What? Why? This place is so nice. If you can hire me, I can turn things around. I'm actually pretty good at...
Marriage problems. My grandfather expects me to be married by 30, and here I am, still single.
Allow me, sir. The street is cleared. No one will interfere.
Why does this man look so familiar? Where have I seen him before?
Hey, Eric.
Good evening, Mr. Wyndham.
Wait, Claude Wyndham? As in heir to the biggest chip company in America?
Hello, Grandpa.
I knew you were hiding here, Claude. Now, your time is up. Where is that bride that you promised?
What is $1 trillion trust fund baby opening a restaurant in Culver City?
Is this her?
Grandpa, this restaurant, it's my passion project, and it was my mother's dream. Besides, I already made the company's value increase by billions. Does this marriage, does it really matter that much?
Yes, it matters. You're the Wyndham heir, and we had a deal. Now, I let you open your passion project, and your part of the deal was that you were going to get married. Now, if there's some other deal, let me know.
Actually, Grandpa, you were totally right. This is her. My fiancée. Tiffany. Tiffany.
What?
Play along and the job is yours.
Yes, that's me. Hi, Mr. Wyndham. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Tiffany Lockhart.
Miss Lockhart, are you engaged to my grandson?
Of course. We're recently engaged and so in love. Why else would I be here so late at night?
That's so good, and I'm happy. But that ring's rather small.
Thank God I forgot to take off my ring.
When did you get so stingy, Claude?
Wait, she's already married? Why does she have a ring on?
But our deal was marriage, so don't try to throw me off with an engagement. When are you two actually getting married?
Grandpa, come on. I just proposed. Let us enjoy the engagement, please.
Well, but this restaurant closes tonight until you get married.
Tomorrow. We're getting married tomorrow, Grandpa.
Surprise!
Oh my gosh, babe. I can't believe we finally got our marriage license.
Everything I ever did for you, every moment, it's worth it.
Who knew it would be that easy to get her to sign the divorce papers?
Oh my God, Tiffany. Did you seriously follow us here to get me back? It's not gonna happen.
Or are you here for your little divorce settlement refund?
Never in a million years would I take you back, Barry.
Okay. If not for me, why would you be here?
Well, she's here to marry me. Sorry I'm late, honey. These are for you.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
I'm fine. Just ran into some flies.
Come on. Let's go get married.
Excuse us.
There's no way she got married again this fast. She's just doing this to make me jealous.
They were probably sneaking around way before. No wonder she agreed to the divorce so easily.
No. There's no way Tiffany's obsessed with me. That guy's probably just a paid actor.
You're not still thinking about your ex, are you?
Of course not.
Whatever.
Who the hell is that guy? Why do I feel like I've seen him before?
I can't believe I got divorced, remarried, and found a new job all within 24 hours.
Your ex-husband sounds like a real piece of work.
Yeah, I can't believe I wasted 3 years on that man.
Tiffany, we all make mistakes, whether it's the people we trust or making our enemies friends. But at the end of it, if you stay true to your heart, nothing can break you.
All right, so what can I help you with, boss?
Well, I could use some help organizing these receipts.
Yeah, you betcha.
Oh, before I forget, here. I want to give this to you. I put $1 million on there. Thank you for marrying me.
$1 million? I can't take that. You've already given me a job and a roof over my head. That's enough.
But this is...
No buts. I can't take $1 million from you. Now, boss, I'm gonna get back to work.
Okay, well, you heard my grandpa. He wants me to do better. I hope you don't mind.
No, I was gonna toss it anyway. Oh my God. Claude, I can't.
If you're not going to take my money, at least accept this ring. Just think of it as a prop. Hope you like it. Jesus, Joey. Don't you know how to knock?
I did knock. Sorry, boss, but there's a customer here causing a huge scene, and he's a food critic, too.
I'll handle it.
This is awful. I'm not paying for this.
I deeply apologize for...
Wait, I know this guy. Andre Lorenzo. He was the judge for my last championship.
Right. This!
Excuse me. Sir, is there something wrong with your meal?
Are you the manager? You call this pan-seared duck breast? Not even close. You try it.
This does taste awful. What happened to the Maison Éclat chef? I'm sorry, sir. We'll get you a new dish right away.
Boss, this isn't the first time that guy's come in and harassed us, okay? DX Group has to be paying him or something.
It's pretty bad. I tried it.
DX Restaurant Group poached 3 of my chefs. Alice is stepping in and helping out. To be honest, I'm still searching for the Queen of Cuisine.
Claude's been looking for me?
So far, no luck.
What does she even know about cooking, huh? Who do you think you are to judge our food?
The sauce is completely wrong. The cherry overwhelms the duck's flavor.
Alice has cooked in 5-star hotels. Seriously gonna doubt her ability all because of one bite?
The customer didn't like it either.
Fine! You think you can do better? Then make it yourself! What's wrong? Cat got your tongue.
She's just a hostess. What does she know? She's just here to smile and clean plates. It's okay. One day you can talk with the real chefs.
Okay, that's enough, you two. Tiffany's just trying to help out. Okay, I pay you 2 to cook, not Tiffany, so y'all fix this.
Actually, I'll make it. One time and one time only, so watch closely. Chef's coat.
Oh, please. I'll show. No skill.
I didn't know you could do something like that.
Come on. Plating isn't everything, okay? That customer is just trying to cause trouble. Go ahead, send it out. Watch it come right back in.
Exactly. It's all about taste, okay? You're just a random lobby girl. You can't put yourself on the menu with just that.
Let's find out, shall we?
I gotta see this.
Oh, God.
Sir, we remade the dish for you.
You changed chefs?
Please, give that a try.
Just wait. He's gonna spit it out.